Animal research is incredibly important in making advancements in the sphere of human healthcare. The similarities between our complex organ systems and that of animals are extremely close, and studying animals provides us with a wealth of information about our own bodies. Though human health-related research is most often linked to rodents and other small mammals, today we'll be linking human health and physiology to a more unconventional animal, the giraffe. Giraffes are well known for being the tallest mammals in the world, but their towering necks contain 7 vertebrae, exactly like humans. One of the most interesting aspects of giraffe biology is their cardiovascular system. Their vascular physiology has been finely adapted to make them unaffected by high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. Hypertension increases our risk of cardiovascular conditions such as heart attack, heart disease, and stroke. Chronic hypertension causes arterial walls to weaken and become damaged over time. Plaque forms over the damaged regions of the vasculature, and it slowly builds up over time in a process called atherosclerosis. This buildup mechanistically leads to a heart attack by narrowing the arteries, which decreases the blood flow to the heart. When blood flow to the heart is limited and is eventually blocked, so is the oxygen that it supplies, and the tissues of the heart slowly begin to die without oxygen. Hypertension can also similarly increase stroke risk by narrowing and blocking arteries that supply blood and oxygen to the brain, which causes brain cells to die. High blood pressure has serious impacts on our long-term cardiovascular health, and it is one of the most important risk factors for cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the United States, and it disproportionately affects ethnic and racial minorities experiencing poverty. Studying giraffes may be the key to helping us find solutions to combat hypertension and its effects within the human body. Giraffes have incredibly elastic jugular veins, with large one-way valves that help in preventing the backflow of blood when their heads are lowered. Blood is pooled into the jugular veins, which functions to temporarily store more than a liter of blood and reduce the amount of blood traveling back to the heart, consequently reducing blood pressure. When their head is raised, thick-walled arteries with extra valves help counteract the effects of gravity. The blood that was temporarily stored in the jugular veins is sent to the heart and is then pumped up to the brain. Studying the giraffe's vascular physiology and adaptations to gravitational stress were key in helping NASA gather inspiration for human spacesuits. A key mechanism that caught NASA's attention was the dense wrapping of connective tissue in giraffe legs that mimic compression socks, effectively reducing hypertension-related swelling in the legs and protecting them against high blood pressure. Studying female giraffes in particular can lend us important insights into women's health. Pregnancy, even a healthy one, poses significant cardiac risks. Hypertension during pregnancy is a leading cause of maternal and fetal mortality. But for giraffes, neither the mother nor calf are affected by higher blood pressure. Though giraffes aren't the first animal that comes to mind in thinking about biomedical research, the giraffe's physiological adaptations against the effects of hypertension could be the key to better understanding hypertension in humans and in finding ways to suppress its effects. Ethically conducted animal studies are important in gaining a richer understanding of human physiology and health, and studying giraffes is a big step in advancing the future of healthcare.